people. So considering I am full on mommy duty today, like in terms of being a Monday, normally my child is not with me, but today being my birthday, he's there. And it is like there is a show called Yummy Mummies on Netflix, and it's all about these very high society women in Australia, of all places, who are expectant mothers, and it is so amusing to watch that show. Yeah, I mean, like most ignorant people, they have very they have illusions that they will continue going for their hair spa and this salon and that salon after their baby is born, which is almost ridiculous because new mommies in particular are like busy, and mommies of any age at all times are busy, and that's a baby rabbit in the background. So really people, but try and catch it. It's called Yummy Mummies and it is on Netflix, and it is such a unique show to watch. No, I'm just distracted with those rabbits at the back. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.